Have you ever heard about all the health benefits of raisin water? This unusual recipe is a great addition to your diet because it will have a positive impact on the health of your liver. What is the secret of this drink? Water in which the raisins is cooked stimulates certain biochemical processes in the liver that help to more effectively cleanse and detoxify the bloodstream. The biggest culprit for this is the raisin itself, and if you follow this treatment for 4 days, you will notice that your digestion is improved and you will have more energy. Doctors often recommend we eat raisins in the morning because it protects the heart, eliminates bad cholesterol, reduces triglycerides levels and improves the stomach and metabolism. How to prepare raisin water? You will need 150 grams, 5.3 oz, raisins and 2 cups water. Heat 2 cups of water to boiling. Add the raisins and cook for about 20 minutes, then remove from fire. Let the raisins soak in the water overnight. The next morning, strain the water and heat it again. You can drink it hot or lukewarm, but it is important to drink it on an empty stomach immediately after you get up, half an hour before breakfast. Repeat the procedure for several days, at least 4. Right after 2 days, you will notice that your stomach works much better and you have more energy. So this drink is especially recommended to those who want to lose weight. You can repeat this treatment once a month to make a liver detox and colon cleanse. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video, family and friends. Thanks.